my computer on the freezer. Hold this bag right here.
I ain't trying to push it up too far because then it's gonna fall.
I don't care about it falling. I just don't want this starch all over my clothes. Okay, let's go.
Oh, it fell.
I know, I pulled it. I'm trying to pull the bag at least from around it. Grab my phone charger. Let me hold that gray tote.
What am I going to
I want to eat it so bad. Okay, so these been cleaned out. I want to go through it and see what's the biggest chunk I got. Ooh.
I ain't gonna reach over here, mama. My nigga read.
You see the green card right there? Oh. Don't turn the camera so they can't see. Turn the camera that way a little bit.
That way,
just a little bit. Keep going. Right now.
So I don't want to ruin that cornstarch.
Oh Lord, I'm finna be in heaven. Oh, hold on.
That's the big one so far.
I bet you $20. I can't even see what they saying. They having, you gonna get us a crunch test? Nope. Why should they be saying? Y'all, I'm gonna be breaking down cornstarch all day. I mean, I'm gonna be literally putting up cornstarch all day. Come pause the music, Mar.
Amen.
Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to break down the biggest part.
I get it. There you go.
Okay. So let me start breaking down over here. Oh, Lord. Oh. Oh, my God. You heard the crank. Hold on, y'all. I got to change gloves. Okay. I had to change gloves because I had ate off of that one. What y'all talking about? What I miss? What y'all trying to buy? What y'all arguing about? This container? Is that what y'all in there arguing about? What y'all arguing about? Y'all heard what my son said. We finna have cornstarch for days.
Yup.
What happened, cornstarch?
Bring a piece.
Nah, man. I'll tell you a piece out when I get done doing what I'm doing.
You better watch your back, me and my brother's gonna do like we did last night.
You and your brothers who?
Oh,
What y'all did last night?
not last night. The night before last night we was making that cornstarch.
Man, I get sick of you doing that shit, bro. What y'all fussing about? What I missed? Something for this bucket? Oh, you gonna pay a good penny for that bucket. I put a lot of labels. Okay, I think this probably gonna be the biggest one. It's big as my hand. Yeah, I think this one gonna be the biggest one. What y'all think? Dude, take a screenshot. Dude, whoever in here arguing with Lauren Starks, get them out of here. Cause she said what she said, ain't nothing to argue about. I mean, she's another seller, so she knows. Yeah, I was talking about these ain't even chunks. At this point, these logs. I want that one for myself. Y'all ready for a crunch test? Dude, how many money guns we got? Y'all see how y'all always want something from me, but I can't get nothing from y'all? See how y'all want a crunch test? I can't even get 10 money guns. What y'all mean? And there's 250 people in here. I can't even get 10 money guns. Hey, Mafia, if you in here watching, let me stop being petty. I said I wasn't going to be petty. What y'all laughing at? What y'all laughing at? Look at Barn.
That ass is still gonna go to his business.
Tell him, yeah, they on the way.
Wait.
What time is it?
4:33.
Okay, tell him yeah.
Alright. Think that was
Ask him, do he want the pill or the liquid? He can't have. They either gonna get him either or.
Either or.
Yeah, it's a pain pill. Yeah, you know a lot of people don't like the taste of the pill, so they don't they take the liquid. Thank you, Shay. I did my big one. Appreciate that. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to fold this up and leave and come back before y'all can even get a crunch teeth. My husband say he ready for his medicine. We done slept half of the day. Thank you, Treasure. All right, so I'm gonna give y'all a crunch teeth. Then we're gonna come back and get done breaking it down. All right. Hold on. Let me move my stuff out the way. Let me try. God, leave this alone. Hold on, y'all. I gotta figure something out. Oh my God. Never mind, I reached it. Okay. You see that right there to keep that down. Let me take off my gloves. Let me wipe up my mess a little bit. Because I really got a mess. Get this one down. Oh, let me show y'all the chunks we got so far. Ooh. Y'all see it? Okay. So them the chunks we done got out of this so far. And so what I'm gonna do later is when I come back, I'm gonna go ahead and get all the chunks out. And then I'm gonna do a chunk to powder ratio to see how much powder I got off of it. And then I'm gonna tell y'all a secret, because I lied to y'all. I had to keep a secret to myself until the day got here. So my plan is to have enough chunks to fill both of these up. And I think I got enough chunks to fill both of these up. So my theory was, for when, I can go back and go through it. For when, it fell on one side, but it stood up for a long time. So that was good. But I'm finna do it again tonight. I'm gonna do it again tonight. But my theory was to have enough chunks to fill up both of these containers. And only like out of 20 pounds have 2 pounds worth of powder. So I think I met that goal. Because it's powder, but it's more chunks than powder. So Depending on what time I get done with this, I'm gonna do another one. If it runs into with baby powder, okay. But y'all, if I'm not done shaking all these off by 7:15, I'm just gonna do it in the morning because Barn Starch is going live at 7:15, and I kind of don't like to run my lives into people's lives that I'm cool with. To be respectful. Yeah, I do baby powder chunks too. So yeah, so people I'm cool with, I try not to run my live at the same time as them. You know, it's called respect. So let's see what the crunch like. So we know it stood up. It didn't just fall out the bag and crumble. It stood up till I started playing in it. So we know that. We got that down pat, right? So now we got big chunks. Now we just got to have the crunch. Okay, for the people that say it's squeaky, I had to take some of it out. Cause you do know that like once you chew the first piece, you still got powder in your mouth. And it makes all of it sound squeaky when it's not. You riding with me?
I'm bring that what you call it?
I'm finna go up the street to the Walmart and you save it. Dang, that's why I shook out. What you gonna do? Huh?
Mama, let her. Stop.
Your daddy did what? When you want to and I do it because my baby trying to tell on you.
I'm better saying.
All right, y'all. I'll be back about 2 hours. Well, no, about an hour.